Transform your ideas into breathtaking videos with Sora, the powerful AI video generator that unlocks your creative potential. Let's dive into how you can harness Sora's magic, focusing on making your prompts sing and your settings dance, all without needing to be a video editing pro. Step 1. Crafting the perfect prompt. Think of your prompt as your director's instruction. The more detail you give Sora, the closer the output will be to your vision. Instead of dog running, try a fluffy golden retriever puppy with floppy ears, playfully chasing a vibrant red butterfly through a sun-drenched meadow with tall, swaying grass. Don't forget to add style words like cinematic, dreamlike, hyperrealistic, or even specific camera angles like wide shot or close-up tracking shot can dramatically influence the mood and composition. Step 2. Mastering your settings. Once your prompt is ready, explore the settings. You'll find options to control the motion intensity, from subtle camera drifts to dynamic action. Look for settings that allow you to fine-tune the visual style, like color grading presets, or even how consistent the generated elements remain across a shot. These are your secret weapons for achieving a polished look. Experimentation is key. Generate a few variations with slightly different prompts or settings. See what resonates most with your intended message. With Sora, compelling video content is at your fingertips. Start prompting, start generating, and let your imagination run wild.